Welcome to this module on joints in structural members. Myself, Dr. J. Abdulbari, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering of K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. And in this video, we will explore the types, importance, and design considerations of structural joints in prefabricated structures. First of all, what is joints in the prefabricated structures? So joints are the critical connections that link different structural elements, allowing them to transfer loads and maintain structural integrity. Proper joint design ensures the safe and efficient performance of the structures. So the joints connect the different structural elements, ensures the load transfers and structural integrity. So the types of joints in structural connections are rigid joints, pin joints, flexible joints, welder joints, bolted joints, riveted joints. So in rigid joints, it resists both the transitions as well as the rotations, and it transfers all forces and moments between the connected members. Whereas in pin joints, it allows the rotations but prevents the translations, and it transfers the axial and as well as the shear force. In flexible joints, it allows some movement between the connected elements, and it accommodates deformations due to thermal expansions or settlements. Some other common types of joints are welder joints, bolted joints, and riveted joints. So the welder joints are continuous and strong connections which has been commonly used in the steel structures. In bolted joints are easy to assemble and disassembles and often used in the steel and precast concrete structures. Whereas the riveted joints are traditionally used in the structural elements and less common usage, replaced by the welding or bolting nowadays. Next, importance of joint dimensions and detailing. So the correct dimensions of bolts, welds, and plates are essentials. Oversized joints may be insufficient, and undersized joints can lead to the failures. Proper detailing includes precise placements of fasteners and welds and easy inspections assess. Well distinguished joints ensures smooth load transfers and reduce stress concentrations. So the detailing of the joints. So the detailing includes the placements of the fasteners, welding, and assess for the inspection, as I already said. And proper detailing ensures both the smooth load transfers and minimize the stress concentrations. Next, stress distribution across the joints. So the joints are critical points where different forces coverage. The tension, compression, shear, and bending stresses are distributed, and proper design helps avoid the excessive stress concentration, preventing structural failures. So design of expansion joints. Expansion joints allows the structure to expand and contract due to temperature changes, seismic activity, and settlement and vibrations. So the key considerations in expansion joints design is handle maximum expected movement from expansion, contraction, seismic force, and settlement. Transfers structural loads smoothly without causing any damages, and provide the effective seals to prevent water, debris, and contaminants from the entrance. So the expansion joints that design the joints to handle the maximum expected movement from the thermal expansion, contractions, seismic force, and settlements. Similarly, it provides the effective seals to prevent the water, debris, and contaminants from the entering the joints and causing the deteriorations. These are all some of the key considerations in expansion joint designs. So the applications of the expansion joints are in bridges to accommodate the changes in length due to temperature fluctuations. In buildings, it handles thermal expansions of walls and floors to prevent the cracks. And in pipelines, it allows the expansion and contractions without causing any damages. And in conclusions, we can able to say that proper joint design in prefabricated structures is essential for stability, safety, and performance. Understanding the types of joints, their functions, and how they manage the stresses and expansion is crucial for effective structural designs.